Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So today we are gonna study about the Rubaa'i. What is mean by Rubaa'i? Actually, it is a nazam, okay, a poem. So there are a lot of kind of poem. For example, Rubaa'i, Maqta'a, and like that, and Marthia, like that. There are so many kind of what poem. So today we are going about to read about Rubai. What is mean by Rubai? The Rubai means that the poem will include only 4 line, and the first, second, fourth line will be what the Radif and Kafia will be same. And what is mean by radif? Radif means that in first, second and fourth line the end of that line should be same. For example, in this our what this 4 poem, we can just see hai in first line, hai second line, hai in fourth line, hai. These what we are called radif. And what is mean by qafiya? Qafiya come before radif, okay, and sounds like similar. For example, in our here, leti hai, deti hai, kheti. So it sounds like same, okay. So this we call what we call qafiya. So I think all of you got the point. Okay, now who is the writer of this poem? Who is the poet? Firaq Gorak Kapuri. Inshallah, we will read about him. रघुपति सहाय फिराक गोरखपुरी उत्तर प्रदेश में पैदा हुए। घर में शेर व शायरी का चर्चा आम था। Actually, his forefathers and the most of the family members was interested in what poem. So that's why he was also इन उनके वालिद इबरत भी मशहूर शायर थे। यू कैन जस्ट यू कैन जस्ट सी दैट द स्मॉल सिंबल एट द टॉप ऑफ हिज नेम फिराक, यू कैन जस्ट see a small symbol. So what is mean by that? It is not a real name of this poet, okay. So you have just seen that many of the poets are just known by their nickname. So in Urdu we are just calling takhallus, what, that every poet use their specific name, a nickname in their what poem. So here the Firaq Gorak Kapuri, what he just inshallah we will just when we will just recite what our 4 line poem. So I will show you that he had just mentioned his name, I think so. No, it doesn't, but the most of the I think it is a rubai, so it is small one. So in big one like nazam, ghazal, so they will just use their what, okay, takhallus, we call takhallus. Ibrat, his father's takhallus ने नाउ फिराक ने तालीम इलाहाबाद में हासिल की, और उर्दू और फ़ारसी के अलावा अंग्रेज़ी भी आला तालीम हासिल की। अंग्रेज़ी में एमए करने के बाद आफ्टर ही जस्ट ग्रेजुएट इन मैनी लैंग्वेजेस, इन उर्दू, फ़ारसी एंड ऑल्सो इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो। ही जस्ट डन हिज एमए इन इंग्लिश, okay, from Allahabad University. And after he just completed his MA, he became a English teacher, okay, in Allahabad University. And यहीं से in 1959 में वजीफ़ा याब हुए। वजीफ़ा याब मीन्स ग्रेजुएटेड, ओके। इन 1968 में पद्मा भूषण, ओके, हमारा एक अवार्ड का नेम है ना, पद्मा भूषण से उनको नवाजा गया था। 1969 में ज्ञानपीठ के अलावा कई और अदबी इनामात से, मीन्स बहुत सारे क्या हमारा एक लिटरेरी अवार्ड होता था, ओके, तो उनको बहुत सारे के एक अवार्ड से उनको क्या किया गया है, दिया है। फिराक गोरख कपूरी के अलावा कई कलाम के कई मजमूए शाये हुए। ही ऑल्सो पब्लिश, देयर आर मैनी व्हाट व्हाट बुक्स of by Firaq Kapuri, and all are published by him, okay. Some of them Ruh Kainat, okay, something like that, okay. Yeah, so I think all of you get the we have just a short about the Firaq गोरखपुरी. And here now we are going, what is रुबाई? I just told you चार मिसरा वाली नज़म को रुबाई की. चार मिसरा means 4 lines. Okay, वाली नज़म को रुबाई कहते हैं. I think there are not I think but there are lot of what kinds of नज़म means शेर. उसका दूसरा नाम दो बीती है. दी अनदर नेम ऑफ रुबाई इज व्हाट? दो बीती. रुबाई का पहला, दूसरा और चौथा मिसरा हम काफिया वो हम रदीफ होता है. आई हैव जस्ट टोल्ड यू दी व्हाट रुबाई का पहला, दूसरा और चौथा. द फर्स्ट एंड द सेकेंड एंड द लास्ट लाइन शुड विल बी व्हाट? हम काफिया वो हम रदीफ होता है. ओके, रदीफ मीन्स विल बी सेम एंड हम काफिया विल साउंड्स लाइक दैट. तो रुबाई का चौथा मिसरा सबसे ज़्यादा अहम होता है. एंड द फोर्थ वन विल बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी द मीनिंगफुल वन. एंड मोस्ट इन the Rubai also mention about the love and about the philosophy and the what akhlaq and the religious whatever thing. We can just mention about in that what poem. Okay, so I think it's enough for this to know about this what is Rubai. So here we go for this poem. So to hato, I think after I had just read this, I had just recite this 4-line poem. After just I read this, I just realized I think Firaq Gorakhpuri just when he was writing this what nazam or Rubai, I think he was just thinking about his mom. Okay. तू हाथ को जब हाथ में ले लेती है मीन्स वेन एवर यू टेक माई हैंड्स इन योर हैंड, दुख दर्द ज़माने के मिटा देती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन जस्ट I can easily give you an example easily. Okay, for like just you can think about mom. Okay, our mom, whenever she will just look us and we are just feeling very unhappy, and we are very unhappy, and we are in very tension, something like that. So he will just come here my son, what happened? He will just come here and he will just take your hand in her hand. Okay, and he will just do with her hand on your back and something like that. He will just love you lot. Okay, दुख दर्द ज़माने के मिटा देती है means after you just reach in your lap of your mom, you will just feel very comfortable. You will feel just you will get rid out from that every kind of problem, in every kind of situation you will feel very better. Okay, दुख दर्द, दुख means very what problem है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं कि हुज़्न. So हमको क्या कभी हमको टेंशन हो, we will have some kind of tension about the what society, about the what family or something else like that. So mom will every time will take care of about you. Okay, संसार के तपते हुए वीराने में, संसार means life. Okay, for example my life is very incomplete and I am very feeling very uncomfortable, I am very unhappy in my life. Okay, means so all my entire life is like a virane, means it's like a is dark silence, means no one is. For example वीराना हम बोलते हैं डेसर्ट. ओके, सहरा, क्योंकि वहाँ पर कोई भी नहीं होता है ना. और वहाँ पर तपते हुए मीन्स हम क्या बोलते हैं, वेरी हॉट. हम सहरा में क्या एक हॉट होता है. तो हमारी ज़िंदगी में भी ऐसा ही है. हमारी लाइफ में भी हमारा ज़िंदगी एकदम गर्म होने की वजह से, टेंशन के मारे हमारा दिमाग क्या होता है, एकदम गर्म हो जाता है. ओके, हीट हो जाता है. कभी हम इसका ज़माने के बारे में सोचना, सोसाइटी के बारे में सोचना, फिर ये रिलेटिव्स के बारे में उनका क्या हालते, ये टेंशन. तो ये सब टेंशन होने की वजह से हमारे लाइफ में टेंशन लेने की वजह से हमारे दिमाग में क्या होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा हॉटनेस हो जाता है. तो वीराने में वैसा. तो सुख शांत की गोया तू हरी खेती है. तो मॉम को यानी जो फॉर एग्जांपल मैं क्या बोलता है मीन्स वेन एवर जस्ट मैं सोचता है कि नहीं मॉम के ऊपर ऐसा सोच कर लिखा होगा, क्योंकि मॉम पर अच्छा तरह फिट होता है ये. ओके, सुख शांत की गोया तू हरी खेती है. अभी आई थिंक यू नो दैट वी आर नॉट एबल टू जस्ट फर्टिलाइज anything in Sahara. Okay, so in our life, for example, we have to just imagine that our life and our every tension and our temperature, okay, everything is what like a Sahara, okay. But when I get to you arms, when I get in your lap, I feel very sukh and shanti, means I feel very happy and I feel very comfortable, okay. Dukh sukh, okay, this is opposite. Dukh sukh means, sukh means feeling comfortable or happy, like, okay. Shant means silence and very calm, feeling very calm, okay. गोया तू हरी खेती है, mean for example, if you are going to visit some what agriculture field, which is totally fertilized, okay, everywhere is green, so you will feel very comfortable in that moment. That if mom will just what she just say you to come here, my boy, what happened on my son, like, so you just feel very comfortable. So I hope you understand this 4 line stanza or line, okay, of the poem. So here we just finish, okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.